Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Ko-Fi membership. If you're currently supporting a creator and want to stop recurring payments, or maybe just manage your subscriptions better, yeah, the process is simple once you know where to look. Let's go step by step in 2026. First, go to Ko-Fi and log into the account you used to join the membership. Make sure you're signing in with the correct email, otherwise your memberships might not show up. Next, open your account menu and find the memberships or subscriptions section. This is where all the creators you support will be listed. Now choose the membership you want to cancel. Yeah, you might see different tiers or creators if you're supporting more than one person. Next, click the Cancel or Manage Subscription button. Ko-Fi may ask you to confirm your decision or show you a message about what you'll lose after cancellation. Now confirm your cancellation. Once you confirm, your membership will stop renewing, but you may still have access until the current billing period ends. After that, go back and check your membership status. Yeah, it should now show as canceled or set to expire at the end of the billing cycle. Finally, check what content or perks you still have access to before the subscription fully ends. Some creators may still allow access until your billing period expires, and that's basically it. You now know how to cancel a Ko-Fi membership in 2026. It's always a good idea to review your subscriptions regularly so you stay in control of your spending. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.